Hello, I'm Dr. Cameron MacDonald. I'd like to invite you to a talk I'll give as a guest lecture on the acute management of hip pain with a physiotherapist. And this will be on January 15th, depending on the time zone you're in. And this will go over how we might differentially diagnose the presentation of acute hip pain, considering maybe the arthritic, soft tissue, musculature, or ligamentous type presentations, and also what age groups might indicate a different need to provide management in different ways for individuals. I've been in this area for nearly 3 decades, and this information I think you'll find useful and applicable for the patient clientele you're working with. I hope to see you. Thank you so much.